Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Poo. I'm Poonam. So today I have created this look which is inspired by monsoon season, or you can say rainy season, which is about to come, and in some places it's already there. In my city it's already there and we are enjoying rain, so I draw that rain and clouds on my face with their rainy season. So I hope I have worked a little well. So creating this look is really very easy. You will get to know if you will stay connected till the end of this video. So without any further delay, now we will move to the video. And one more thing I want to add here, that the people who liked my last video and commented on my last video, I will add their name in this video at the end part of this video. So now we will directly fly to the video. Ta-ding. So I'm done with my base makeup like foundation. As you can see, my face is looking clear. So I'm starting my makeup with my eyes, and for that I'm using this concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade medium. So I have applied it over my eyelids and near my brows. So now I'm blending it correctly over my eyes so that my eyeshadow color can pop out and looks amazing. So after blending it, I'm gonna set it with some compact. So here I'm using this compact and set it. So after setting it, I'm starting my eye makeup with my eyeshadow in the color blue, or you can say sky color, because today we are gonna paint a sky on my face and eyes. So yeah, I'm almost done with my one eye with all the shade. I'm using my finger and brush, whatever tools I need, I will apply just this shade on my eye. So after doing both of my eyes, I'm using this kajal from Blue Heaven. So I'm applying this kajal in my waterline, and after putting this kajal, I'm using this white shade under my lower waterline. So I will use white and blue, both of the shade under my lower waterline. So give it a kind of touch of sky, which is kind of blue and white and mixture. When there is cloud, its color is blue and white. So I'm using both of these colors under my waterline. So after this, I'm gonna fill my brows with the pencil from Miss Claire in the shade medium black. So I'm just grooming my brows with this pencil. This is a fantastic pencil for beginners especially. And after that, I am using this eyeliner from Faces Canada. So yeah, I'm drawing my liner very efficiently with very full of attention on my face. You can watch. So after this, I'm using my mascara from Wet n Wild so that my lashes will look voluminized and my eyes will look fresh and wider. So I'm putting 2-3 coats of mascara, and after that I'm using my highlighter. This is also from Wet n Wild. This is a stick highlighter and I just love this highlighter. This is so smooth and gives a natural glow to your face. And after highlighting my face, I'm using blush, and for the blush this time I'm using a blue shade. This is not a pinky peachy glowy blush, this is a blue shade because I'm creating sky on my face. And from one side I have drawn the clouds, but I forgot to shoot, so I will show you the other side how I draw these clouds. You can see now I am drawing these clouds on my cheek. So like the other cheek, I'm shading one cloud with the blue color so that I can draw another cloud in that cloud, so it gives a natural kind of cloudy look. You can watch. So after that I'm using same blue shade over my nose so that I can connect both of these side, and I'm also drawing some clouds on my nose. So yeah, done with the clouds, you can watch. So now I'm drawing some raindrops beneath these clouds so that it can give a natural kind of rainy look with these clouds and also raindrops. You can watch, I'm drawing raindrops very easily. So after that, I'm giving a very small touch of clouds over my eyeshadow, or you can say on my eyes. I'm drawing some very small clouds on my eyes. So yeah, done with both of my eyes. So after that, I'm putting this nude lipstick from Huda Beauty. So after putting this lipstick, I'm also going to match it with my rest of the makeup, like my eyes and my cheeks. I'm also drawing some very small clouds over my lips. The brush I'm using is an eyeliner brush, and this kind of brush is really very helpful to draw these tiny kind of designs over your face or eyes or lips or whatever you want. So yeah, done with my look, and this is the final look you can watch. I have drawn all the clouds and rain on my face. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Now you know how I created this look. It was very easy. Yes, I said that it is very easy. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, please. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Video I'm going to share this look. So first tell me, how do you like my work on my face with this cloud on my face? Yeah, I was trying to rhyming, but it's worse.